Hey, what's up? Chad here. Just heading out of Cebu City and enjoying the view on my way to Moalboal. I can't wait. Of course, I'm excited about all the nature and outdoor adventures to enjoy there, but there's something else that I'm pretty excited about checking out, and it's at the place I'm going to be staying at Beyond Island Resort. Let's check it out. What's up? What's up? Made it to Moalboal. I am at a place called Beyond Island. Man, I am so psyched to be here. This place is quite a bit different from Cebu City, as much as I loved it there. This place has an amazing vibe. There's so much to do here. I'm excited about it. I was just talking to the owner of this place. He was telling me about like all the waterfalls and the snorkeling, and the reef is like right off the beach. There's canyoneering, there's everything here, but there's also something that I'm pretty excited about. It's pickleball. It's huge back home. Me and my friends play all the time. My family plays. And this place, Beyond Island, is the first place in Cebu to build a court. All right, I'm gonna head into town for a little bit, grab a bite to eat, and then we're gonna head back and check out the pickleball, see what's happening tonight at Beyond Island Resorts.
Pickleball is considered the fastest growing sport in the U.S., with nearly 5 million players picking up a paddle last year.
Once viewed as a pastime for the older athletes among us, pickleball, with its noisy pops of plastic, is somewhere between tennis and ping pong, and proving it has no bounds.
Looks like they are starting. The games have begun. Oh my God, this is so great. So pickleball is alive and well in the Philippines. That's actually Max there, the owner of the place, playing right now. I'm gonna sit down with him in a little bit and chat with him and get a little history on how it all happened. This is the first pickleball court in Cebu, and it's kind of been blowing up since then. A lot of people come to this place just to play pickleball. Anyways, we're gonna sit down and have a chat.
Okay, I'm Max from Italy, Lake of Como, beautiful place. I find out pickleball. It's a sport from USA. We enjoy very much, so I built the first court in Cebu Island 4 years ago. We play every evening. We play 2-3 hours. We enjoy very much. Show your paddle, your mini paddle.
I love pickleball!
That's why I love pickleball. It's good to my health.
So why is this sport booming so fast? What's the deal? Why all the hype? Well, what makes it unique is how inviting it is to a wide range of athletic abilities and ages. When it was invented back in 1965, it was intended to be an easy game influenced by ping pong, badminton, and tennis to be played at family gatherings that all could join in on. Of course, now it's evolved and there's competitive tournaments around the world, including in the Philippines. But for a new player to get to a point where you can just rally, have fun, join your friends, get some exercise, it's surprisingly easy compared to sports like tennis and badminton. And that's why it's taking off so fast, because so many people can get involved with it and participate.
This is our Miss Universe in the pickleball. Our Miss Universe in the pickleball.
I'm so bad in interview. If you want some sports, it's everything. Running, cardio, and muscle in the arms is everything. You meet a lot of people, and then you get to know each other by if you win, then you're good. If you lose, Every day you go home and then you think about tomorrow. Oh, okay, I will play pico. That's I was.
Oh yes, this is the winner.
Now we change question. When did you lose your virginity?
All right, there you have it, folks. Pickleball in the Philippines. Beyond Island style. Having too much fun here. If you haven't tried it, definitely get out and give it a go. It's so much fun. Better yet, come to Beyond Island and Moalboal. This place is awesome. Snorkel all day, waterfalls, canyoneering, and then pickleball at night. It's a good time. It's a good group. The owners are super awesome and friendly, and you'll love it. You won't regret it. Anyways, see you next time.
Like it and click the subscribe. Thank you. More viewers. Thank you, everybody. Yes. more fun in the Philippines, Cebu. I'm a